Okay, we have to pick the starting point, means center, and we have to give the direction. So in this way, it will create the staircase. So again, I will do. First, we have to make the stair there. So I will do a little bit like this, and I will edit the shape also. So I'll give 10 feet height. So here you made, right? After that, you have to give this and take circular array. So we'll call it as polar array. And here 20 steps, height is 10 feet height, and build array. So you have to pick the starting point. That will be the center of this. And you have to give the direction. Okay, direction will be in blue color, right? Then take up, click on up arrow. That will be the, that will gives you blue color axis. Okay, this will be in green axis. Axis of rotation. Starting point and ending point will be on the top. Okay, so in this direction you will create the staircase. If you go around here like this, it will create the staircase. Okay, we no need to worry this much because we already have, okay, here spiral staircase here, default option. So this will help us to create like this circular arrays. Okay, this circular arrays. So next one is creating walls. So we no need to make groups and all. So defaultly we have options like, so you must have first basic plan there. So if you have this boundary face, so we have here built vertical walls. So if you go inside, you will have more options in updated versions. So here from right side, from where you want to pick that wall, from center or right or left. Okay, I want from left. And what is the thickness, wall thickness? So you have to mention that thickness. So minimum 6 to 9 inches. So I will take 9 inches. And what will be the height of that? I will take 10 feet. And setup profile means pick a face, pick reference point. Okay. Create walls, clear profile, and build wall. First I will say built wall, and what is set profile, that also I will explain. First built wall, so that will be the 10 feet height and 9 inches width. So yeah, you just have to select the corner points. So automatically it will create the wall. So automatically it will create and it will make it as a group. So it's a very advanced tool for making walls, and we can easily make any type of walls here. Okay, in that way we'll create the walls. And here we have setup profile is there. Setup profile is nothing but, so if you have different shape, so create wall, setup profile, pick the face, reference point from, so how you want wall, that also it will create. And this is the end direction. So like this it will create the wall. Select the reference point, this, means it will create some particular profile face of that. So you can create any shapes, like compound walls you can make any different shapes. Okay, in this way we'll make the walls. So I'll come back. So I'll create the wall here for Windows purpose, creating openings purpose. Clear profile, built wall. Okay, we have wall here. Okay, we have here, okay, create openings, openings for windows or doors. So how much width you want opening? Width I want 3 feet, and height I want 7 feet. Okay, create opening. So from where you want opening, like this. So this will gives us, first we have to click this, and we have to give the width and height, and you have to create the opening. So that first you have to take the reference point. So which height you want, okay, in this height, and you have to give the horizontal distance, in how much distance you want. Okay, I want in the 4 feet distance. Enter. How much height, in how much height you want. Okay, I want 1 feet height. So in 1 feet height and 4 feet distance, it will give the opening for us. No need to take reference line, create. drawing rectangle and push pulley. So directly it will create the door for us. In the same way, windows also you can create that. So window width 4 feet by 5 feet. Create opening. Okay. Take the reference point. Horizontal distance is 5 feet. Enter. Vertical distance is 3 feet. Enter. Okay. So directly it will create the opening for us. Right. Like this. Mhm. Okay, our width is actual height and width, right? Create opening. Select in this way we will get the window opening. So by using this, we can easily create the window openings. Okay. Next, we want to create horizontal groove lines on selected face. So what this tool will do is, for example, I draw a rectangle here. Okay. So I'm selecting this face and horizontal grooves. Grooves is nothing but it will make some designs, grooves there on the face. So you have to give the dimensions of that, how much you want that. Okay, A is the opening one. So this I will take 2 inch and internal dimension is 1.5 inch. Groove depth 1 inch. 2 inch I will take. And groove spacing with how much space you want that each groove. I want D is 6 inches. Number of grooves is 18 grooves. Create grooves and you have to pick starting point, soften edges. It will make edges soft. Okay, like this it will make some grooves for us, like some design for walls. Okay, in this way we'll create the grooves on face. So that is making grooves tool on the selected faces. So next one is making a flight staircase. So it means only one direction it will go. So that is like this. So in this we have 4 models: type A, type B, type C, type D. Okay, you can see the okay. You can see the type 1, type 2, type 3 here. So how it's coming. So first we'll see one by one. So first one is type A. Here I'm making step width. Okay, how much width you want? I want 3 feet. And what will be the riser height? I will take 6 to 8 inches. So minimum 6 I'm taking. Then what is the thread depth? Thread depth means this one. So I will take 1 feet means 12 to 15 inches will take. 12 I will take. Slab thickness. Slab thickness is this one. How much slab thickness you want? that also you can mention. So that is 2 inches. Next, straighter depth. This one handrail is there, right? This line. So what will be that height? Sorry, this one gap on that. So I will take this one 1 or 2 inches. 2 inch I will take. What will be the height, handrail height? So minimum 2.5 to 3 feet. 3 feet I will take and build staircase. So what you have to do is you have to give the direction of the. So I'm giving this direction and you can place that. So according to what height we gave, that height it will take. So for that, because of that, we must know what is the height of our wall. Then we can easily mention the number of risers and all. Okay, this will be this. So easily we can create the staircase, and we have different models in that. So whatever the type you want, with this you can create. Build staircase. So like this we'll create the staircase. So I have to change its direction. And we have a doggled staircase also is there. Okay, it means it will come in, it will take u-turn, doggled one. So right to left or left to right. Okay, we'll take a right to, sorry, left to right will take. So here same, what is the flight width and riser height, thread depth. So what we gave there, same it will come. And build staircase. So I'm giving from here to, so in it, which direction will give, that direction it will place. Okay, like this, it will create staircase automatically. So this is one option we have. And one more option is there, that is metal or timber one. So you can able to see the model there. So metal or timber, this one is normal one, concrete one. First one, build staircase. This one also concrete one. Here there is no sub base, only it will like having zigzag shape. Okay, first one we have flat one. Okay, next one is without flat one, it is not there, in zigzag shape only we have with stairs. And third one is for timber or timber one, or else we can consider it as a steel staircase or iron one. So rectangular section or steel section, we have steel it will come, and rectangular it will come in this shape, closed surface. So build staircase. So in which direction we will take? that direction it will come. Like this, it will create the staircase for us. So we have to give the clear depth and clear height of that particular stairs. Okay, in this way we'll create the different types of staircase. We have spiral also, and we have escalator also is there, and how to create door frames and window frames. I explained, but I think Hemita missed this. So I will explain this shortly, and we'll go to different rafters are there. The roof is there. So many are there. Okay, this also I will explain in next class. So until here, having any doubts or anything? So Hemita, you did you install this 1001 big tool?
No, sir, not yet.
You Prasanna? Hello Prasanna?